Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami rabbit basket or rabbit egg holder. So for this you will need a square piece of paper, and we're going to start out with creating a fold like this. And we're going to crease well. Then you're going to open it, and then you're going to crease like this. Once you've done that, you're going to open it back up, and you're going to create a diagonal crease. Then you're going to open it up again, and you're going to fold another diagonal crease. Once you've done that, you're going to take this crease that you have and you're going to fold it in like this. So we're going to take this side and we're going to do that like this, and then we're going to take the other side and we're going to do that very same step. And crease down. Now that you have that, you're going to take this flap and you're going to fold it up like this. Then you're going to open it and fold it pretty much 2/3 way and leave 1/3 here. And then you're just going to fold this back up. And then you're going to flip it to the side and do the same thing. Take this, fold it all the way up, open it, fold till about here, which is like 2/3 way, and then going to just bring it back up, and you're going to crease well. Then you're going to take this top and you're going to fold down a little, and then you're going to take this and you're going to fold it back, and this will help in our future steps. Then you're going to take this and you're going to fold it like this and crease really well. And then you're going to do the same thing with this side and you're going to crease this really well. When you're here, you want to make it like this, and you want to really crease this well. Then you should have something like this. Next, you want to take this side and fold it in and crease. And then you want to take this side and you want to fold it in and crease. Then you're going to take this and you're going to fold it on this crease. Right here, fold on this. Then you're going to take this side and fold it on this crease. It will bend some of this, but that's not a problem. Now what we're going to do is pretty much the same thing on the other side, but you need to remember that we folded this side in first, so we're going to fold that side, this side in first this time. So first we're just going to actually create our creases. So fold this to the center line. And then take this and fold it to the center line. Then you're going to take this and you're going to fold it to this crease, this side here. And then you're going to do the same thing here. Fold it in, and this side will kind of line up. And then you're going to take this and you're going to line it up. As you can kind of see, if you pull it, it should have like the wings coming out. 2 points out here. And when you open it, you kind of can see a little hole coming for the pocket. But just to make sure this is nice and sealed, you're going to need some glue. And then you're going to just glue right here to this side. And then you're going to take more glue and do the same here. And just glue it. And now that you've done that, you're pretty much ready to come to the final step of just kind of inflating this to work like a pocket. And just crease really here with your hands, being really careful not to break it. And then more creasing. Spread the ears out a little so they look really well. Now on the bigger side, you can draw a face, and then your little bunny basket is pretty much ready. Here are your bunny baskets, and if you want, you can actually make them to a bigger size and put more things inside them. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!